Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. The result has been declared by ICMAI today, and those who have got passed in their examination, congratulations to them. But जो भी student का result उनके expectations के according नहीं आया है, they can apply on the re-verification portal. The institute has launched the re-verification application now. Let's get quickly check it and let's know how we can fill it out. You have to quickly open your Google or any search drive. You have to type ICMI re-verification. An option will be come over here, examination ICMI. You have to click here. Then below you will be able to see procedure for verification of answer paper. You have to click on it. Now, this is the interface we are having now. Here it is written that application for subject verification, term name June 2024. So this is the term for which we are going to apply. A note is given, only one application form to be filled up, giving the choice of subjects. That means if you want to apply for 3 subject, 2 subject, or 1 subject, or all the 4 subjects, then you have to apply in single application in one application. Once you will be submitting the application, then alteration of that application would not be eligible and you would not be able to apply once again. That's mean you would not be having an option to refill the one more application form. So that thing you need to be care of. Whatever subject you want to apply for, you have to apply in this form only. So first you have to analyze which subject you want to apply for the re-verification, and then only you should be filling this form. So it is written over here that for intermediate course, last date for re-verification result is 22 of September 2024. So you are having approx 30 days to decide on which subject you want to apply for the re-verification. One video I will be making guiding you that which subjects as per your result and as per your marks in the result, which subject you should be applying for the re-verification, whether you should be applying for it or not, because this application will be charging some money as well, some fees will be there. And for semi-final course, the last date of re-verification is the same as of the intermediate course. It is also written that 250 rupees per paper would be the fees for re-verification, and this re-verification fees is not refundable if your result has not been changed. If you have got 39 marks in a particular subject, you have applied for the re-verification, and after re-verification the result of re-verification remains the same, then the fees will not be refunded to you. But if the marks has been changed, you got higher than 39 marks, then the refund will be given to you for that particular subject. It is also written over here that within 30 days you will be getting the declaration of re-verification application. Below, you have to apply, fill the registration number over here, and then roll number, full name, and course automatically will get reflected over here. And if not, you have to select it manually. Then, after filling all this detail, you will be able to see some subjects over here. If you have given all the 4 subjects, then 4 subject will pop up here. You have to click on each subject you want to apply for. Make sure that you are clicking on only that subjects you want to apply for the re-verification. Otherwise, in the subject you have got passed and you have clicked on it, the re-verification will apply for that subject also, which is not a favorable situation or condition for you. So while applying this application form, you should be very carefully applying and choose only those subjects on which you are having confident that I should be getting more marks in this question, and I would strictly suggest that you should not be applying for re-verification on such subject you have got already passed. If you are having more than 40 or 50 marks and you are qualifying the group, then you should not be applying for the re-verification. If you are getting short in aggregate, like you are not getting 200 or 400 in aggregate, then you can apply for re-verification only for the subject you are in confident that you should be getting more marks in this particular subject. After that, you have to click simply on the apply and you will get an interface, merchant interface, and you can pay the fees over there. So yeah, this is the way you can. So this was the way you can apply for re-verification, and hope this video help you out, and hope a great future ahead. Thank you.